Okay guys, welcome to this one. You can see this is Volvo cx70 cross country 2005. Yes, it's quite the same thing with 2004, 2005, 2006 up to 2010. Yes, you can see the AC blower. Yes, to remove it, I know you guys, anybody that watching this video, should know how to remove it, to lose it. You can see T12 here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Yes, then the glove box is going to come out. You can see it here. And then the blower is held by 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yes, that's 5 screws I lose there. Yes, here is it. 1, I don't want to do mistake. 2, 3, 4. Is it 4? Oh, yeah, no, it's 5. Okay, there's the last one. Yes, so the reason why I'm doing this video is I was surprised with what I saw with it. Yes, because the AC, the blower, is making kind of noise, like you can hear the vibration on it. So I was thinking maybe the fan is pretty bad, but as I remove it, I just remove it now. Look at what I saw on it. You can see that's a huge dirty there. Yes, I'm going to show you guys. Yes, I'm going to turn it over. You can see this is a huge dirty. So it will make the fan blade to be heavy, and it will be not balanced. The fan will not be able to balance. That's why it will be making that vibration, heavy vibration. You can see the dirty. So you can see it. I'll take a picture now. Yes, I'll take a picture. Yes, I take a picture. After I clean it up, I'll show you guys back on. Okay guys, you can see the huge of dirty I've out from it. You see, I'm going to knock it down. I'm being careful here not to break anything, but this is the, I want to show you that. You can see. So I'm going to clean it properly for me to get the, yes, it's dirty. Yeah, so I'll get you guys back on. Okay guys, so that dirty that I found on the blower will make me want to check on the filter, AC filter. Yes, I'm going to lose it out now. Yes, I think I have another bolt. Okay, there's no bolt. You can see already. So I'm going to take this cover out. I don't know. Let me take it out. So I have to take 2 screws on the back side. You can see there's another 2 screws on the back side. This is it. You can see how dirty it is. Already you can see the dirty. So clean dirty. You can see this is how it's supposed to be. and this is how it is. Let's go and dust it out. Yes, it's not good at all, so I'm going to dust it here. See the floor, you can see what is coming out. So this is what is giving me issue on my AC. You can see there's no way I can get anyone now, but I'll clean it up, then I'll put it back pending when I will order another one to put it on. So let me get it clean. I'll get you guys back on. Okay guys, yes, you can see it now. I tried to clean it up. Yes, there's no much different now, at least to work for me. Pending that one come. So I'm going to fix it like that, and I'm going to fix it now. So let me get it fixed. I'll get you guys back on. Yes, this is it. This is how I clean it up. You can see, and this is the regulator. Yes, this is the regulator, and I'm going to couple it now. Yes, I'm the only one here, so I'm going to couple it. Yes, it's pretty simple to couple it. I'm just going to loose up this. Yes, I know I did show you how I get it loose, but at least it's just like this. It's a straightforward losing and coupling, so it's just like this. Yes, then I'll tighten this. Let's see, it's not easy, so I'll tie this, then I'll put this into this, and I'll tighten it from behind. So let me get it tight. I'll get you guys back on. So guys, this is it. You can see it, how clean it is. Yes, I'm going to fix it now. Yes, yeah, so let me get it fixed. I'll get you guys back on. Okay guys, you can see I've coupled everything, so I'm going to get the key of the car now. Okay, here it is, and I'm going to test it out. I know it's going to work because it's working before, just the vibrating. That is what I don't like. So let me get it started. Okay, yes, yeah, as you can see it. Yes, as you can hear it, it's working pretty fine. Yes, trust me, the AC is more pulling more than before. Yes, I'm really happy that I did this work. Yes, so that is it. Thank you for watching. Please don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. I'll see you on the next one. Peace out.